How to add Google search bar to Android home screen. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google search bar to your Android home screen. To get started, go to your home screen and find some empty space. Tap and hold your finger on the blank area until a menu pops up. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Widgets. In the Widgets menu, scroll down until you find the Google section. Tap on Google to expand it. Scroll again if needed and look for the Google search bar widget. Once you see it, tap on it, then press Add. The search bar will appear on your home screen. If you'd like to move it, just tap and hold the search bar, then drag it wherever you want, either at the top, the middle, or the bottom of your screen. When you're happy with the position, simply release your finger. Now, anytime you want to search, just tap the search bar and it will open right up so you can start typing. That's it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping you again.